speaker. Anusha has been associated with Great Foundation NGO for quite some time now, and she's been going and teaching kids English. So I think such kind of efforts are required from us. Moving on to the next speaker, we have Pankaj Sisodia with us. He would be talking about the topic cycle. Let me just give you a brief introduction of Pankaj. Pankaj is a farmer turned software engineer. That's something really worth one applause. He's a software engineer with Eclipse right now, and he loves programming. And what he's going to talk about, that's cycling. Over to you.
Biking.
Okay, biking.
Thanks for mic is working on it. Word cycle, a bike. So bike means a cycle actually, but in our country bike means a motorbike, which is totally wrong. If you go to any dictionary, it means a cycle or a bicycle. So please use this word. Don't say bike. Bike and motorbike are two different words actually. So bike and motorbike are two different words. Okay. And my intention here to convert motorist into cyclist actually. Or if you are the victim of Doom 123 or a victim of roadies, so please listen carefully. So the story started from Kirkpatrick Macmillan when he invented first cycle, which is made up of wood. The weight of that bike was around 25 kg, and they don't have tires or anything or paddle. Then the evolution of bike, all the upgradations and all the efforts of science and scientists, the big rear wheel, the smaller rear wheel, gear systems, safety bikes, road bikes and mountain bikes and all. Let me describe you the types of bike. There is a tandem bike, first of all. You see the 2 seats or 3 seats, something like that. It is for multiple riders. So you can go with your partner for a long ride. It's very good for honeymoons. The second is the road bike. It's for racers. I do road biking. And third, so you see the bike with single wheel. It's a uni bike. You see this in circus and all. It's maintaining your balance and all. And another one is a mountain bike. You can conquer mountains using this. You can go long distances. It's very stiff. It have disc brakes, shock absorbers, and front gear system and rear gear system. And the last one is a hybrid bike, which is a combination of a mountain bike and a road bike. Let's see the parts of bike. Everybody must be knowing because each of us in the world use cycle. But in India, if you see, after the age of 22 or 23, we don't use bikes. We go for motorbikes and all. It's all false status symbol that we carry. We upgrade from cycle to a motorbike, then to a car, and then everybody, then helicopter or anything like that. Nobody think of cycle. After, it's tough to find a person riding cycle of more than 22 years of age. All the laborers and all, they will use cycle. And let me describe you a gear system. There is a front gear system and a rear gear system in bike, which helps you to move faster on the flat roads and climb a mountain. And if there are 3 front gear and 8 rear gears, so 8 into 3, 24 gear combination, different gear combination in the bike. And like computing again, there is a cycle computer you can fit in your cycle, and it takes care of your speed, maximum speed, distance travel, time taken, your pulse rate, how much calories you're burning, that thing and all. There are a number of gadgets you can embed in cycle, like a GPS, global positioning system. Where you are, you can track that. And when you're riding, you're taking care of environment. This is a very obvious thing. All O2, H2O, Earth and all those words. And when you're riding a bike, you are avoiding traffic. In Pune, there are 17,62,730 motor vehicles. And when you're riding, and you're making sure that you're not part of the traffic jams and all. You're avoiding traffic. It's taking care of your health. Bike automatically takes care of your health. Your blood pressure never increase. You're burning your calories. Your tummy is not coming out. And like, it's a very interesting topic. Cycling is associated with thought processing. Say, number of thought processes like problem solving, Brainstorming it's a formation. Can be done only on a vehicle called cycle. You can't do these things on car or a motorbike because you are thinking about traffic. You are thinking of anything. And bike teaches you a lifestyle with basic stuff. Basic stuff means a radio, a postcard, a books, simple cycle, simple dal roti, and a basic clothing. And you go to the basic lifestyle. Bicycle teaches you geography also. When you move from point A to point B using a cycle, it impresses like all the photographs in your mind. What is the shortest path, what is the longest path, what is the shop here, what is the shop there, and it teaches you geography in another manner. See, in our country, newspaper, gas, post, and all those things are delivered using a single gear bicycle. See your dependency on cycle. And self-dependency again. I do long rides and all. So I do my punches and all the things, all the stuff I do. So it teaches you, in other way, it teaches you self-dependency. Because you are doing all your things by your own. And it's making new friends. Because bicycle community is very big in any city. You meet number of people of the same passion and same things they do. And become meeting new people. Stamina check. When you go on long rides and you see that Mumbai is 234 kilometers from here. So it's test of your blood. How strong is the blood? And Pune is 80, you can come, like if you're tired, you can come back. A bike to work, this is the concept actually, like we should go for. Bike to work is a concept you can use cycle once in a week, twice in a week, thrice in a week, 4 times in a week or 5 times in a week. And if it comes on weekend, you can come on that also. And it's fun, sustainable means of commute to office. Like say, different sports of cycle, nobody thought. In India, bicycles are never promoted actually, if you see. We never know a single sports person in cycle. There are different sports like BMX, that fellow is jumping. There are different bikes for that. Second is racing, third is downhilling, and fourth one is mountain biking. There are a number of other sports like cross country and this is my exam taken last week actually. I can read on pankajsisodi@gmail.com.